Hey man, when they put a fit together like that, fuck the welder.
What is up, my sexy welding people from YouTube? How you guys doing? Hope you guys having a good day. Before we start this video, don't forget to subscribe right here. I have my Instagram, Facebook, Twitter. All my accounts are gonna be showing somewhere here in the screen. All right. Today's video, guys, is almost the end of the year. Christmas is around the corner. And today's video, guys, it's a little rewind. This video I made a while back. Last year, 2019, back in North Dakota. That's right. This is some of the situations that sometimes you get, and next year, welders like me probably, if you want to get into the game, you're gonna have to take some fits like this, high low. All right, pipe fitters doing different bevels and stuff like that, and they're not gonna remove a 30 feet or 40 feet up in the rack for you to fix it. Sometimes you're gonna have to deal with it, like in this video right here. So we're here in North Dakota with my friend here, JR.
You damn right. How you doing, America?
Trying to build America here. We have our fitter. Now we have some situation over here. You can see.
Yeah, we always got a situation with the high-low.
We have two different bevels. This bevel on the left is different than the bevel on the right. So, what you said? Fuck.
Hey man, when they put a fit together like that, fuck the welder. But it's okay, they're supposed to get the high-low out of it.
Yeah.
Now what y'all gonna do?
Well, sir, we can take everything out and fix the bevel. Or, got a badass welder like JP. Fuck, we'll fix it.
We just weld it.
We just weld it, you know what I'm saying? Hook us up.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I'll show you how we fix this bevel.
Alright.
It's called fusion, baby. Fucking fusion. Here we go.
There you go. On this video, guys, the welder name is JP. Pretty good welder. He's a pretty good guy, and the way he fixed this problem was fusion, baby, fusion.
I'll show you how we fix this bevel.
Alright.
It's called fusion, baby. Fucking fusion. Here we go.
There you go. And everything was perfect, 100%. Alright. Because there was two different bevels, so the high-low, was not good. And sexy welding people from YouTube, that was it for today's video. Hope you guys like this video. Little rewind from last year, okay? I want to say Merry Christmas again to everybody, okay? I hope you guys are healthy and most of all safe if you're working. And if you can't, try to stay home, all right? So that's it for today's video, guys. I'll see you in the next time. Bye. I'm doing a